Hi there, it's Doug Atkinson again from Blauson Mortgage to talk about financing and mortgages for the property you just viewed at Unit 214401 Blauson Boulevard in Abbotsford, British Columbia. The link to that full home tour is located right up here. Let's get going. We're going to talk about 5% down, 10% down, and 20% down on the purchase of this property and the income you need to qualify. We'll also be talking about the new benchmark rate that is set for banks to qualify you for a mortgage. We'll look into property transfer tax and plus look into notary costs that you need to think about before you purchase. Before we get into the mortgages at 5, 10, and 20% down, let's talk about benchmark rates. The Canadian government has a benchmark rate of 5.25%, or the posted rate plus 2%, whichever is greater. Lately, the rates have been going higher and higher to catch up with inflation, and currently a 5-year closed fixed mortgage rate is 5.04%. The benchmark rate would then be 2% plus the 5.04%. You are going to find most lenders are going to qualify you at 7.04 up to 8% for a mortgage. Today, we're going to look at qualifying at 7.04%. And the reason I'm talking about benchmark rates and qualifying, because when we talk about the amounts of money you need to put down, I'm also going to tell you the income you need to qualify for the mortgage. Costs included in qualifying the mortgage would include the property taxes, which are $1,728 for this property, the monthly heating costs, which I put at $60, and the condo fee at $400. When we service those, plus the mortgage debt, I will tell you what the income is needed to qualify for that mortgage. 5% down. The purchase price is $648,800. 5% of that is $32,440. You'll have a first mortgage of $616,360, but because it's 5%, it has to be insured. So the mortgage insurance on that particular loan is 4%. That is $26,654.40, making a total loan of $641,014.40. Your monthly payment is going to be $3,742.78, and this is at 5.04%. The qualifying income for that is $191,610.29. 10% down is $64,880. You'll have a first mortgage of $583,920. Your insurance premium is 3.1%, which is $18,101.52. That'll be added to your mortgage, bringing a total mortgage of $602,021.52. Your monthly payment on that is $3,515.11, and the income to qualify for that mortgage is $181,332.44. 20% down is $129,760. That will make a first mortgage of $519,040. There's no insurance premium because this is considered now a conventional mortgage. Your mortgage amount would be $519,040, and your monthly payment will be $3,030.59. The income to qualify for that is $136,297.21. Most lenders require you to put aside 1.5% of the purchase price aside for closing costs. Those closing costs would include your notary fees and disbursements and taxes. A portion of the yearly taxes, if the owner has currently paid the taxes for a full year, you may have to reimburse some back. Any condo fees that need to be reimbursed if you buy in the middle of the month or not quite at the end of the month, and any other costs that are deemed necessary. The 1.5% may seem excessive, but it is helpful to know it's there, and the bank will require to see that in your bank account. And also the down payment would have to be seen in your bank account at least 90 days prior to closing. Property transfer tax for this purchase is $10,976. Property transfer tax is 1% on the first $200,000 and including $200, and 2% on the balance up to $2 million. There is more insurance premium after that, but since this is under $2 million, we'll just stick with that formula. Well, that's it for our mortgage tour today. If you have any questions, you can always email me at dougjatkinson@gmail.com. If you want to revisit the property and look at the full tour of the property, you can look at the link right up here. And if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you on the next tour.